Hello everyone and welcome back to our vertical vlog. Hey! So ngayong araw na ito, tayo ay pupunta sa Escalante City Manlambos Festival. We are going to experience their very colorful, very oceanic festival. So nandito nga kami ngayon guys sa kanilang parang tawag dito, night market. Ayun. So we visited there. They have foods and after that dumiretso kami doon sa plaza nila kasi nga upon checking the schedule of activities, meron silang Manlambos Queen. So kaya we stayed here na lang and watch. But before that, hi guys! So our guys are sa Escalante and we're watching Manlambos Queen tonight. So nakatapos namin kumain and we're going to I'm going to tour you around. Oh!
Yes, guys.
See you guys. But prior to that, kumain muna kami ng chicken. Tapos chicken ba to? Basta kumain muna kami. We had dinner before heading to the plaza again. So, yun. So, kakaikot-ikot namin dito sa Escalante City. We head straight sa kanilang City Hall. And nakita namin si Janelle. So nakita mo yung Janelle. And then he shared us yung mga festival costume. Dinalaya kami doon. Ha? Dinala niya kami dito sa loob. Ayan, kung saan yung makita yung mga gown nila. So dito, ito yung mga gown ng mga queens sa pageant. So she toured us around and ang gaganda talaga ng mga gown. And after that, din na kami sa taas ng Balintawak Barangay Hall. Ayan, at tinay ko nga yun. And napakabigat, grabe. And ito nga guys, nakita namin si James. Yep. Yung tatay ni Bimbe. So ito nga guys, mag-start kayo guys para mag-support sa Binibining Balintawak na happened to be the daughter of my batchmate, Charity. So guys, na ganun lang kami guys. Oh yan, stress na si Janelle. Oh, anyway, we supported lang din guys, Charity. She's very good, she's very kind. So yeah, we supported her daughter. Ayan. But actually we're aiming for a win, but binigay lang sa akin yung first runner-up. But it's okay. She did her very best. She was so beautiful. Her performance was all on point. And nasa judge na yun kung sino yung gusto nila. And I'm very, very happy na Charity is also good and just a support mother. Pero actually, kami yung mga supporters na stress na din talaga kasi we want her daughter to win. But anyway, life is like that. Sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. At the end of the day, it's an experience, right? So yun guys, sobrang saya namin dito kasi we experience ko first time yung Manlambos Queen na pageant. So yun. So Charity, sobrang. But anyway, congratulations to you, Cha, and to your daughter, and to all the supporters of Balintawak and Barangay Balintawak. Ayun guys. And of course guys, nagpa-picture din kami sa pinakasikat and pinaka-lodi na male host sa Negros Occidental, Sir, ladies and gentlemen, Sir Kurt Soberano. And guys, so we had picture with him. Kasama ko dito si Janelle, ako, and of course si Gatas. So yun guys, mga pictures namin. And also, tinay ko din yung costume, festival costume ni Balintawak. So yun guys, ito yung mga pictures namin prior to the pageant. Kumain kami muna. Kumain muna kami. And here's guys. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye.